Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Fund tonight. Before we get started, first of all, a big shout out to the 128 people who watched the video from yesterday. Thank you so much. But you know what would be really great? Some likes. So if you watched the video, then do me a big favor and click that like button for me this evening, okay? So tonight we're taking a look at a fund which I personally have a little bit of investment in, and that is the Lifestyle Growth Fund. And it says here you may be interested in this fund if you care about long-term growth and are wanting to accept significant exposure to stock market risk in exchange for what? More growth potential. So we load some data here. Then we do something a little different. We're looking at the histogram for the closing prices for the most recent 12 months, going back to June of 2024. This is a nice, pretty plot. I'm not sure how to actually interpret it from a stock standpoint. And along that same vein, we have a histogram for the by month for the most recent 12 months. It's interesting to see that the biggest change was actually back in April. Okay, went from 40. Of course, this is all the way back to, well, this is 12 months, so it's only going back. So this is only for April of this year. And the biggest jump forward is actually what? 2024 is actually either August or September of this year. Okay. Now we can take a look at the ever popular 100-day moving average plotted against the closing price, and it's also a good day when this price is above that average. Okay. Then we got the Bollinger Bands, of course, a nice continued upward trend, staying above the average, but staying within the 2 standard deviations. Then we can do a quick ETS and a quick ARIMA plot. And as you've seen from the previous plot, from the previous Vanguard funds, it's predicted for the next 14 days, it's predicting that the price is going to hold pretty much steady. And the REMAs are predicting the same thing. And with the other 3 funds, the adjusted REMA is saying the price is going to decrease over the next 14 days. And finally, as far as forecast, you can see that as usual, as with all the other 3 funds, it's predicting that the price is going to trend upward for the next 30 days. That's what profit is telling us. And finally, dividends. Dividends is pretty steadily here with a general upward trend between 2015 and 2025. Okay? And there you have it. Your Vanguard Growth Fund. Again, as always, thanks so much for this shout out to the people who watched the video yesterday. But of course, again, I really appreciate it if you give me a big thumbs up. Okay?